So this is my food review, and today I'm going to be trying out this thing. This is, oh, I'm trying to use the camera backwards and I can't see what I'm filming. But it's a Chobani Flip Peanut Butter Ream. No, wait, Dream. Peanut Butter Dream. This is, I found it in the yogurt section, and I don't know what it is. It says it's vanilla, low-fat Greek yogurt with peanuts, peanut butter clusters, and milk chocolate. And it's a peanut butter dream, not peanut butter ream. I probably made that mistake because it said Greek. So now I'm gonna try and open this thing. I just want to also show you the other stuff I got here. These are the kitties. My friend Rachel got me these kitties from New York. And this creepy eyeball thing. And this is my bird. Okay, I'm gonna open this thing up. Oh man, it looks kind of scary. It looks to me like you probably gotta stir this up a little bit. Do you see? This stuff looks kind of scary. But sometimes you gotta stir up the yogurt. You gotta stir that shit up. It looks really pale. This is a really white yogurt. Ah! Let's see what the bird thinks. It's making me wheeze because I'm allergic to dairy products. I will just warn you, if you're allergic to dairy products and you want to eat this yogurt, you should have your asthma inhaler handy. That'll make it easier to breathe. Okay, I'm putting some nuts in here. There's nuts. Oh. Yeah, those are nuts. It's just yogurt. Well, the yogurt is pretty smooth. It's nice and soft and smooth. It kind of tastes like lime, but it doesn't say lime on the package. But maybe everything sour tastes like lime to me. It's kind of smooth. Oh, I already said that. It tastes good. Let's see. But it's like they forgot. There's no chocolate. I thought there was going to be chocolate, but it's like they forgot. Oh, wait, down at the bottom there's some chocolate. I hope you can see that. I don't even know what I'm filming because I got the camera on backwards mode. Oh, no. It's kind of like if you want to eat yogurt and you want to chew on something crunchy at the same time, it's pretty good. Let's see. Let me see what happens if I get one of these chocolate pieces in there, man. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's kind of scary. I'm gonna dump all these things in there now. I hope you can see that. Yeah, I like it. If you feel like you need to eat some yogurt, but you don't want to eat yogurt, and you kind of want to be like a little kid and eat some candy instead, I think this is how you want to do it. Yeah. I mean, you got your chocolate, and you're eating some dairy products, so you got your nice wheeze going. I don't know if you can hear me wheeze, but I'm wheezing. It tastes pretty good. It tastes pretty good. Yeah, I think he likes it. I think the raven, is it a raven or a crow? I think he likes it. Well, okay, I just wanted to make this to cheer you up, and I hope you're doing better. Take care, and I will see you soon. Love you, Mabel. Bye.